Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got Tina back in the building again with another super casual watch face. Now you can get away with dressing up with this watch face if you want to, but let's go ahead and take a look at this one. Now the name of it is called Tina Dial 801. In the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look, the same information as you would when the watch face is on. Now when the watch face is on, I do like this look. It is a super casual watch face. You can get away with dressing up with this one, as I said before. Now looking at the information within the watch face, you will be able to get nice front analog hands. You get a nice smooth second hand that's cruising around the bezel of the watch, and I do like the look and the detailing of the index. It really makes the watch face stands out, along with the color as well. Now if you look to the left, you will get information on your battery. Right next to it, you're going to get an AM PM stamp with a needle that's going to point to what time of day it is. Now I like that, right? Now over to your right, you will get info on the days of the week. You come down, you got some animation going on here for your step info. Now the watch face is slightly inactive, so you can customize the color theme of the index by double tapping, and you can cycle through a few different colors in all in order to tie into whatever outfit you may have on or whatever is your favorite color. Now this is nice for a dress up wear right there. But let's go ahead and tap one more time, and that's it, people. Listen, hit me in the comment section down below. I would really love to know your thoughts on this watch face. Is it a download or is it a leave it right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.